Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle. I am actually about to go out to walk this morning. It is a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. And guys, what I want to talk to you about is sponsoring, and also, does your sponsor have real transparency? And I know a lot of you all reach out to many of us online and try to make sure that you're connecting with the best business model that is going to fit you. And not only does it fit you, but it actually will give you some results that you're looking for. I realize a lot of you all may be new. A lot of you all may not be new, but you've been spinning your wheels. You've been spinning your wheels tirelessly for years and years and years and haven't found the results that you're looking for. Well, I want to say that that comes in two different stages. Number one, I see a lot of people go from business to business to business to business, not really giving themselves enough time to learn how to market effectively, or enough time to even learn that particular business that they stepped into so that they can market effectively. And in order for you to market effectively, you must know the ins and outs of that business, at least have some common knowledge or basis to work with, some fundamentals of what that business can really do for those that you're trying to share that with. If you want to call it prospecting, if you want to call it sharing, if you want to call it recruiting, whatever terminology you'd like to use, you definitely want to make sure that you're well versed in the product and or service and the business model that you're sharing. I see a lot of you all will get these business models because you're being pushed into the hype and the money aspect of it, what you can potentially earn from it. And a lot of times that's okay if you understand the dynamics of what it takes to get to that level of earning potential. And a lot of times coming out the gate, it's not clearly understood or it's not clearly conveyed to you for you to comprehend, so that you can do strategic moves and also present it the way you need to present it so that people see the true value in that business opportunity. So what I mean by transparency, when I share a lot of products and services, I share based on what I'm using currently, what I have used, and how it's benefiting me and how it can benefit my team. That is the most important, because if it can't benefit my team, guess what? The retention rate will not hold. Retention rate meaning that a person will not continue to use that product and or service if they don't see the real value in it, if they don't understand how they can actually use it to best suit their needs for growing that business, or any business, matter of fact. The tools and the resources that I've shared with you over the years are the same tools and resources that I use. And a lot of them will modify. A lot of the owners of those tools and resources will always upgrade. They're into technology. They always making sure that they keep up with algorithms and make sure they keep up with functionalities. They make sure that they're keeping up with all kinds of things to make sure that that system is still viable for you to use in building your business. So when I share something with you, it's because I'm currently using it. I'm actively using it. Now, I know there's a lot of businesses out here, and sometimes it can get overwhelming because someone's in your face constantly like this and saying, hey, this is the best thing. This is the best thing. But the best thing is for you to sit back and see what you're really, really passionate about. And when you see a business model, make sure it's something that you know without a shadow of a doubt that you can confidently share with other people. Because if you can't confidently share it with other people, that means that you have not acquired enough knowledge based on it to convey it to people so that they can understand the value to which you're trying to share. Okay? So I definitely want you to know that. Now, transparency is very, very paramount in this industry. You want to make sure that you're available for any team member or all of your team members that you actually share your business and or services with. That is so important. So there's several mediums that people can reach out to me. There's email, which I love. I can get to a lot quicker. The phone is excellent. A lot of people have my home business number, but at the close of the day, I want to be honest with you. I wish that each call could be 5 minutes. I could get close to a lot more people with that. But as you all know, and if you don't know, a lot of times when you get someone on the phone the first thing they want to talk about is their experience. That could last anywhere between 30 minutes to 40 minutes, sometimes even an hour. And just think, I do operate on my phone from 11 a.m. usually to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just think how many people I can get on the phone and I could actually have an intelligent conversation with and exactly share a business model that they're inquiring about on the phone with them. So you count that up. 30 minutes, I might be able to get 12 people or so, but I promise you, my phone log never has less than 60 messages on it on a daily basis. Never. And that's only because that's the capacity. I know there's more calls that come in because the dialogue directory always shows a whole lot more. That's why I encourage people to email me at askcassandra@gmail.com. I can type 96 words a minute, so it's easier for me to be able to answer your information, answer any questions that you may have. And it's not that I don't want to speak to you. It's just simply that I want to make sure that I get at least some information out to you so you can make an intelligent decision to move forward in anything that I might be sharing, or you might be asking me about another business opportunity and I have experience with it and I can give you some tidbits on that too to help you to forge forward. Okay, so I definitely want you to all to understand that out here in this industry, whatever business model that you're choosing to convey or trying to make sure that people understand where you're coming from and the value that you're giving from that business model, please do your due diligence and also make sure that you have enough information so that person can make an intelligent decision to move forward with you. Again, this is Cassandra Good on a beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning. It is the 9th of May, and guys, no matter what, always know that this is your season of abundance, no matter whether we have the coronavirus that's going around here. And I'm hoping that the numbers will eventually start going downward so that we can be at ease, so that we can share with one another more, and that we can get our social association and connectivity back in alignment. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, please email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com. Also, definitely click the link below, see what I'm actually into, see what I'm passionate about. Also, please, if this is your first time coming onto my channel, I'd love to have you here. Please hit that subscribe button and notification so it'll give you a ding. It'll give you a notification to let you know that I've just uploaded a video. And also, for those subscribers that have remained loyal and true, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart that you continue to listen out and continue to look at my videos. And I'm hoping that I always give you value in every facet of your life when it comes to dealing with this industry and how you too can get some awesome results. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Enjoy this weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.